Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. As you all know, we started trading through RoyalQ, the trading bot. If you want to follow our progress, look for the name Extreme or the ID 3119 on the app. If you're not linked to RoyalQ yet, the link will be down in the description. Register and download the app. You don't need to start trading immediately, but you can come and chat, you can ask questions, and you can see all the traders' progress while it's happening. When you log into the RoyalQ app and you're looking for Extreme, this is more or less what your screen will look like, and you'll know you're on the right track to follow Extreme. So, what is RoyalQ? RoyalQ is a quantification or a DCA bot doing spot trading, and it's using API keys. So first of all, doing spot trading means you can't lose your money, but you can devalue. The bot is also set up in a way it doesn't close a single trade in a minus. It only closes trades in profit, depending on the time frame until the market moves up. And also by using API keys means your funds are safe, your funds stays in your exchange, Binance or Huobi, and you're in total control. The only funds they can use is the funds you load onto the app for your subscription and for the gas fees according to the split. So the trade options from RoyalQ is brilliant because it gives you two major options. You can do the trading manually, you can load your own strategy and let the bot trade on your behalf, or you can follow some real advanced traders on RoyalQ doing really good and giving you a percentage return. The percentage return all depends on the amount of trading done, the amount of coins, and the volatility in the markets. So the strategy Extreme is doing, we're doing a mid to long term trading strategy. We're only using the top coins according to market cap. We started at number one with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and moved down. Our trading range is between 30 and 50%. Now, what that means is if the market drops rapidly and it drops more than 50%, there might be a waiting period because remember, the bot doesn't close a single trade that's in a loss. It only closes trades when it's in profit. Capital needed for this strategy is $300 per pair, and your trading size is $10. And also make sure your professional edition is ticked. You need to tick this since the bot is trading general and professional coins all at once. The different coins we're trading on Binance and Huobi, as you can see the list, it's very similar with only one difference, and that's BNB because BNB it's not available on Huobi currently. The month of November has come to an end, and this was our daily returns average between the two accounts. From the new month on, we'll separate it to give you each account's indication of what happened and amount of profit made. Extreme has also reached 10,000% cumulative profit in just 50 days. Now, what does this mean? It means the percentage of every single closed trade has already added up to over 10,000%, and it took only 50 days. So, what has happened for the month of November? For the month of November, we've closed on a profit of 11.38%, according to Extreme's account. Now, the percentages can be different due to the amount of coins traded by each trader and when you first synced to the strategy. I've seen some of the guys who came in a little bit later than me caught the market nicely, and some days they had made double the profit I've made, which is brilliant because it means all of us just keep on making profit depending on the volatility of the market. Make sure to follow us on Telegram. The link will be down below in the description. While following us on Telegram, you'll get information to our Zoom calls. There's a presentation call weekly, there's an activation call weekly. And there's a week workshop for every week. And remember to subscribe and like this YouTube channel to see how we take off using RoyalQ. Have a great one and enjoy. Take care.